Good morning! I'm a swimsuit. We are officially in Hong Kong and it's morning. It's the first morning in Hong Kong and I'm ready to go for swimming pool. Yesterday we went a bit crazy, a bit angry on each other because it was so stressful. We were hungry and we were angry and we even though that I prepared a huge information how to get to certain things, we still got lost, we still missed some things. Not everything was clearly described on the airport page, airport website, but some things were pretty good and instant in terms of food finding, currency exchange. It was just in no minute. And let everything be and just enjoy the moment, and I'm super happy to be here. I still can't believe it. I'm here, I'm in Cyberpunk and I love it. First, we started pretty smoothly and nicely, just in a swimming pool in our rooftop hotel on floor 36, you're right, with a beautiful view on the bay. The water was a bit chilly, but still pretty good, and the sun was just raised. After an hour, we made it to the cafe, which was absolutely delicious for breakfast. It was Western cuisine. Someone chose a big bowl of soup with noodles and some beef. I believe it was beef. I took a very interesting scrambled eggs. It was a bit sweet, which I don't understand why salty dishes, they are normally salted. They serve them sweet. It was the first time I experienced rain in a tropical climate. and I can tell you, it's super nice. It's very different. It's not like a pouring heavy rain. It's like you make like to your face. Very hot and humid weather, so you either soaked from the rain or you just soaked from the inside, because you're gonna be wet anyway, so don't worry too much about bringing your umbrella or raincoat. It won't work. Seems like it's only plus 28, but in reality it really feels like plus 35 or more because of the humidity. All the things on our phone, we still got lost. We still got lost in this Hong Kong city. I decided to go the wrong way. When you look on the map, everything is flat. You don't see the mountains, right? Oh, you are here in point A and you need to reach point B. So yeah, that's gonna be easy. Just 20 minutes by transport and maybe 5 minutes by foot. No, that's fine. So it took us to get this place not 20 minutes plus 15 minutes by foot as it was told before, but it took us nearly 3 hours, I think, 3 hours to reach this place in the humid, hot conditions and all of this stuff and all of the figuring out the way to this place and just bringing the whole group of people there. Oh my god. We still hope to get some food before the tea workshop, but we just grabbed it and went to the workshop. The workshop was absolutely amazing. The owner is absolutely a fairy tale. We spent nearly 3 hours. 3 hours of tea tasting and talking about cultures. It was super cool and we really enjoyed. And we are here in our hotel and about to have a very nice tea evening. We grabbed some beautiful things from the shop and we want to try them and make them true. Nei hou, ho ho, and 多謝晒。